So these are elderly homeowners on fixed incomes, many falling into, doesn't look like it, but the extremely low bracket of low-income homeownership. So they really do not have the financial means, and we identified these folks because they are part of this naturally occurring retirement community where they don't have families around in the area. So these are people that don't have just a son or daughter to come on over and even change the light bulbs and help clean and do things that are becoming prohibitive, both because of physical limitations and also financial limitations. So the response is really wonderful, and it's wonderful that Jewish Federation is sponsoring this and making this happen for these folks.
I thought I'd seen it all, 'cause it's been a long, long time. Oh, but then we're tripping far, wondering if I'm alive.
Well, I think it's important. I mean, it's obviously we're doing a great thing, and you know, some of these people can't do these things on their own, so being able to lend a hand is really important. And I think, you know, you give what you get, so hopefully one day when we need it, you know, we'll have some nice young volunteers helping us.
I'll see in you, wonder if I'll always be with you. Words can't say it, I can't do enough to prove it's all for you. Rain comes pouring down, falling from blue skies.
It's really important to be helping out the local community in whatever way we can.
Energy efficient, the new light bulbs.
Oh, they're the swirly ones?
The swirly ones. We have 8 of them for you today.
Fine.
Yes, and God bless them all. You're great workers, and you do a lot of things. You help a lot of people.
Finally I figured out, but it took a long, long time.
It's a mitzvah. It's definitely a mitzvah.
Maybe 'cause I'm trying. There's been times down my road just can't turn and walk away. Hard to say what it is I see in you. Wonder if I'll always be with you. The words can't say and I can't do enough to prove it's all for you.